Super tender and flavorful. This is next level beef. Hi, today we're making tomato braised beef ribs. I bought these short ribs at Costco. Meat near the bone is always the best. First, soak the ribs in water for 1 hour. This helps draw out the blood and reduce the gamey smell. Then rinse and dry with the paper towels. Tomatoes are great for boosting color and flavor, so I used 3 kinds: Roma tomato, cherry tomato, and tomato paste. Cut Roma tomatoes into smaller chunks. Also dice 1 white onion and chop some garlic cloves. Now drizzle some oil into the pot. Sear the beef ribs first. Turn them occasionally to brown all sides evenly. This is called the Maillard reaction, and that's where the best flavor comes from. Remove the ribs after they're nicely seared. Same pan, add the onion, garlic, and black pepper. Saute until they turn slightly golden and translucent. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and the tomato paste. Cook until they soften and become slightly saucy. Return the beef ribs to the pot. Season with light soy sauce and salt. A bit more sugar to balance acidity. Then add hot water, just enough to submerge the ribs. Cover with the lid and simmer for 2.5 hours. The ribs will become extremely tender and juicy. After 2.5 hours, add the cherry tomatoes. Continue simmering for another 30 minutes. Once done, all the flavors are blended perfectly. Let me take the first bite.
So delicious!
The beef is incredibly tender and flavorful, almost falling off the bone. Combined with the natural sweet and tangy flavors of tomatoes, this is honestly the best beef I've ever had. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.